Today I got a iPhone SE right here. You can see this is the iPhone SE. Today we're going to replace the screen. There's a dead pixel right here, as you can see. The screen is no longer responding. So what we're going to do is replace the screen and just do a snap thing. Viewing angle sucks on this screen, but I can't find a refurbished screen in Malaysia. I don't know why. So please work. How am I going to unlock this? Open. Okay. Please works. Okay. This phone does not belong to me. Actually, fixed for someone. So nice. It worked. I know that you have to peel this thing off, but I'm not going to peel this thing off for now. Everything works well. This is my first iPhone SE replay. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for videos and